learners, welcome to SWAM online lecture series on the topic Database Management System. Myself, Mohammad Ubaidullah Bukhari, working as a professor in the Department of Computer Science, Aligarh Muslim University. In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the advanced experiment with SQL Server. Today, I will discuss also the advanced experiment with structured query language server with various examples. So get ready to understand the complex concept to enhance your database skill with me. Before going to discuss, we have discussed in the last week a salesman master. But in that, we have discussed how to create and enter the value also in sales master. The next, we have discussed about sales order database, and we have also created and entered the value in sales order. The third table, which we have discussed, sales order details. Also, we have discussed in detail about how to create our sales order details and how to insert values depending on the requirement on that sales order detail table. Modify the columns. I have already discussed. You can modify more than one columns at a time. Already discussed. Also in the last, we have discussed use of group by. So the agenda of today is to discuss the join operations. It is very useful for SQL statements. There are different types of join: equal join, right join, full join. Full join will work. First, it will find left join, then right join, then it will take the union. By that union, we are able to join full join in SQL. And the different examples on the join. And in the last, we have discussed the subqueries with different examples of subqueries I have explained so that you are able to understand very well about the subqueries. In other words, you can say nested. Before going to discuss detail today's agenda, I want to answer of the previous questions which I have given in the last class. The first question was, what is the average order quantity for each product? The answer is select SOD.product number, comma, average. Within parentheses, you have to write SOD.quantity ordered as average order quantity. This is called alias. From which table? Sales order details, SOD. Group by SOD.product number. By that, we are able to find the average order quantity for each product. The next question was, how many orders were placed in each month? The query you have to write in SQL, select month, order date as month. This is called alias, and then the count. We already discussed count star within parentheses as total orders from which table? Sales order group by month. Within parentheses, you have to write order date. The next question was write SQL query to obtain the order number and the corresponding day of the week from the sales order table, formatting the order date column to display the day of the week. But in the last week, I have given the answer. I want to know, by seeing the answer, you have to make a question. That I have given select order number, comma, date format, within parenthesis, order date, comma, %W within quote, as order day from sales order. That was the question. The answer, you have to write the query. The query will be like that. Write SQL query to obtain the order number and the corresponding day of the week from the sales order table, formatting the order date column to display the date of the week. The last question was list the total quantity order to each product category. The answer is select pm.description, comma, sum, SOD dot quantity ordered as total quantity order from product underscore master, PM join sales order details SOD on PM dot product number. These are attributes that SOD, also the attributes will be product number group by PM dot descriptions. Okay. So today agenda we have to discuss. First is join. Join clause is used to combine two rows from two or more tables. It means there are two tables, one table contains, both table contain a common attributes, then we can join. So based on the related column between them. There are different types of join which follows. Inner join, left join, right join, and full join. There are four types of join. Inner join, it means retrieve records that have matching value in both tables. Left join, or you can say left outer join, both are the same, retrieves all the records from the left table and matching record from the right table. Same way, in the right join or you right outer join, same way, it retrieve all the record from the right table. Here, before it retrieve record all the from left table. For the right join, it will retrieve all the records from right table and matching records from the left table. Just reverse for that. Then full join, or you can say full outer join, retrieves all the records when they are a match in either the left or right. It will join for that. So we'll discuss one by one. The left join. List all the products and their corresponding orders, including products that have not been ordered yet. These are questions. Then in MySQL, you have to write select PM.product number. It means the product number is from PM tables. PM will give a abbreviation of PM means product master tables, comma, PM dot description, from which table it will come, comma, SOD, sales order and order number, from product master. Okay, product master we will form PM. And we are doing the left join, sales order details, SOD, From that table, on PM product number is equal to SOD product number. Product number from sales order and must be equal to product number from the product master. If you will write, it means this query will fetch a complete inventory of a product alongside their respective order, even for products that have not been ordered yet. This is achieved through a left join between the product master and the sales order detail tables. It will ensure all the products are listed regardless of order status. Adjustment to column and table names may be necessary based on the schema. So it will give all the left right join. List all orders and their corresponding products, including orders that have not been associated with any product. This is a query. I have taken one example, and you have to write a single. In MySQL, you have to write select SO dot order number. It means sales order. So we have to SO dot order. It means this attributes from sales order, comma SO sales of detail dot product number, sales of detail and quantity order. From sales order table, right join sales order details SOD on order number from sales order is equal to sales order detail dot quantity order number. So in this way, if you write, this query will fetch all the order along with their corresponding products, including orders that have been associated with any products. So the right join to include all rows from the sales order details table, regardless of whether they are matching rows in the sales order table or not. So you can see on the screen like that. When you press select command, which command select SO order number, SO product name and SOD order quantity, then the format will display on the screen like that: order number, product number, quantity order. The first order is 019001, product number is P0001 and the order quantity is 4. It will all the 12 rows will be display on your screen also when you will type this statement. So this is a use of right join. Next is full join. Full join, I am taking one example. By this example, you are able to understand. It will be very clear how it works, full join. Since full join is not directly supported in MySQL. So what you do? You can achieve the same result by combining of left join and right join, and then you make a union. So you can see, or you have to write the query in such a way. You can see on my slide. Okay, this query will fetch the same result as a full join by first performing on the left join to include all the clients and their corresponding order. Then perform a right join to include all the order and their corresponding clients. Then finally, it uses union to combine the results. Okay, so how you will write on the screen on your computer? In MySQL, select CNAME, SO order number. Because the question is directly supported, you can achieve the same result using the combination of left right. Okay, see, from the client master, I have given the name is C. Left join sale order from SO on C client number, because you have to know the client number from SO, a client number from the sales order, and that. Then you have to write also then a union. Then you have to also write the same command, select C dot name SO order number from client master from the C, write join. Then you have to write sales order number SO on which you have to join C client number is equal to SO client number. From both table is okay, then it will join. Where the condition is C client number is null. Client number is null. Then when you will press, it will show all the values. If why you have to see client number is also null. If it is null, also it will, otherwise it will not display. So it will display all the 7 rows of that A1 brass 1001 order, A1 brass 109003, Mamta Majumdar, Chaya Bankar 46006, Ashwani Joshi 46866, and Hansel Kulako and Deepak Sharma is null. Order number is not supplied. So in this way we are able to understand how full join works. I am taking examples. To list all order along with the client name and product detail, join the sales order, clients and product master tables based on their respective keys. How you will write the SQL? A statement like that. What will do? It will join the sales order, clients and product master tables based on the corresponding key, client number and the product number. See here, you can see on the screen, you have to write in MySQL, select SO.order number, comma, C.name, comma, PM.product number, comma, PM description. These are select. Okay. It will show. And then from which table? From sales order SO. Then you have to join client master C on SO dot client number is equal to C dot client number. Then also join with the join sales order details, the short form SOD on SO order number is equal to SOD order number. The third join product master PM on SOD product number is equal to PM dot product number. When you will insert, a result will display. You can see on the screen like that. The attributes order number, name and product number and the description. In the select we have used only 4 attributes. That's why it will show 4 attributes, and about 14 rows it will display one A1 base, product number this t-shirt, the other was, and A1 bus is equal to denim t-shirt. So in this way we are able to see the results. This is one example of for join. For more elaboration, we take another example to find the total amount spent by each client along with their name. You need to join the client number exists in the sales order table. We will need to join the sales order details table with the sales order table using the order number to access the client number. The query is like, you have to write query like that in MySQL. This query retrieves the client's name from the client's table and calculate the total amount spent by each client by summing up the product quantity display and product rate for which order in the sales order detail table. So results are grouped in the client name like that. So the result, when you will press the command, the result will be the name and total amount spent only, because here you have used select c.name and then sum of SOD.quantity display into SOD product rate will multiply. That result will be stored on a sum as the total amount spent. That is called alias. From which table? From sales order detail SOD. Then you have to join sales order number on SOD order number and SO order number, from the attributes from SO and the order number from SOD. Then you have to join client master from C on client number from SO is equal to client number from C. Then group by name. The result will be like that. You can show Ashwani Joshi, then 00, Chaya Bankar, 24,150, Hazel Kolla, 57700, Evan Brass, 29,850, and the Mamta Majumdar, 0. Total amount spent that. In the third example, I hope it will be very clear. To find out the products that have been sold, you need to join the sales order and client tables to retrieve the client number for Evan Bros. Then you can join the sales order details table to get the product detail for the order placed by Evan Bros. So the query you have to write like that. Select SOD.product number, PM.descriptions. From which table? From table name you have to write sales underscore order underscore detail SOD. Then you have to join the other tables, sales order SO on the order number from SOD is equal to order number from sales order. Then you have to join also client master C on client number from SO is equal to client number from C. Then you have to join there. Here you have to use 3 join. Product master PM on product number from SOD is equal to product number from PM, product master, where C.name is equal to Evan Bros. So when you will write and you will press, it will show like that product number and description. It means it will join the sales order details, sales order, clients and product master tables based on their respective keys are given order number, client number and product number. The result will display like that: description t-shirt, denim t-shirt, pullover, t-shirt and cotton. 5 rows will be displayed on the screen. Next I am taking the fourth example for that to make, because these are very complex advanced version of SQL statement. To find the name of a client who have purchased trouser, you can use a similar approach as before. You will need to join the sales order details, sales order, clients and product master table to retrieve the client name from the orders. That includes trouser. So here you have to write like that. Select distinct C.M. attributes from C. You have to, it will be distinct. You have to, I have already explained distinct. From which table? Sales order details SOD. Then here also you have to join 3 join you have to use. First join is sales order SO on sales order from SOD is equal to order number from SO. Then the join client master on the client number must be equal from C and client number must be equal to SO. Then the join is product master PM on product number from SOD must be equal to product number from product master. Then you have to give the description, the condition, so you have to write where PM dot description is equal to trouser. Only I want to trouser. If you want to trouser more and t-shirts like that, when you will press, it means this will join the sales order details, sales order, client and product master table based on their respective keys. What are the keys? Order number, client number and the product number. When you will press, it will display like that, name and Chaya Bunker, only one row is there because you want a distinct. So, next example is that to find out the product, their quantities that will have to be delivered in the current month. You can use the sales order details table and filter the order based on their delivery date within the current month. Assuming you are using MySQL, you can use the month or year functions to extract the month and year from the delivery date and compare it with the current month and year. So by such type of query, you are able to experts, you at the time of designing database design, it will be very helpful, and try to on your computer also. So when you will, how you will solve? For that you have to write a query in MySQL, select product number from SOD and description from product master, comma, quantity display from sales order. So here I want three things. From sales order details, SOD, then here you have to join only three, not three before, only you have to join two tables, one table sales order and then the next is a sales order and the next is a product master. You have to further join. The join sales order SO on the order number from SOD is equal to order number from SO. Then the join product master PM, the product number of SOD must be equal to product number of PM, where year SO delivery date you have to put and the year current date and the month delivery date from the SO must be equal to month current date. When you will press, it means this works like that. It will join the sales order detail, sales order and the product master tables based on their respective keys. Keys is order number and product number. Okay, here the no, so empty result will be the empty set will be displayed on that screen. I hope by this example you are able to very confident to using a join operator. The question, last question is to list the products and orders from the customer who have ordered less than 5 units of pullovers. You can use a SQL query with a subquery to filter an order where the quantity of pullover is less than 5. Then the query will work like that. it uses subquery to find the product number for pullover from the product master table. Adjust the column name and table name according to your schema if they are different. So here we have to write for that. Select order number from SOD, product number from SOD, and the description from product master, and quantity order from SOD. The table name from sales order details, SOD. Then you have to join. Join product master PM on product number from SOD must be equal to product number from PM. The condition where product number from SOD sales on order must be equal to, then you have to give the subquery like that. Select within the parenthesis, you have to write select product number from product master where description is a pullover. Parenthesis close, and SOD dot quantity orders must be less than 5, because the here is less than 5. Here you can give a quantity or must be less than 5. When you will press, the result will display on the screen on your computer like that. Order number, product number, description, and the quantity, because we have given only 4 attributes in the select. That's why only 4 columns will be displayed, and the result is 01991. The product number is pullover. There are the 2 rows in the pullover which is available. In this way, we are able to understand the complex query very well. We will come to the next topic, are subqueries. Subqueries also play a very vital role in solving a query or for in SQL. So we have to know what is subquery. Subquery in DBMS are nested SQL queries used within another queries. Nested query, nested if, nested do loop, already you know that. So same way it is like a nested. They can return a single value, a single column, or single rows, or even a whole tables. Subqueries enhance the flexibility and complexity of SQL queries, allowing for dynamic and advanced data retrieval and manipulation. By that, you can retrieve faster and manipulation will be very easier. Subqueries are commonly used in select from where and having clause to perform operation based on the result of another query. For that, I am taking some example. I will explain by taking some example. The first example is to find the product number and description of non-moving products. You can solve this query by using subquery. How will you solve? So first of all, I'll do. You have to find select distinct product number from sales order details. And then after retrieving all the records, then you have to combine with the product number. In MySQL, how you will write? Select product number, comma descriptions from product master table, where product number not in, I've already explained in the previous lecture. Within parentheses, you have to write select distinct product number from sales order details. So first it will select all the retrieve all the unique product number in select, then and it is not it is not available, then it will display. It means it will display that product number and the description 508765 jeans and P08865 skirts only. Okay. Because it is a very nested query, the question was to find the product number and description of non-moving products not being sold. You have to, so you have to not available in that, not so, then it will display. So that's why you use not in. The next question, or we can say next example I have taken, to list the customer name, city and pin code for the client who has placed order 019001 by using subquery. You can solve by SQL statement, but you have to, how you will solve by SQL. So what you do? First, what you do? The subquery select client from sales order, where sales order number is equal to 011. Retrieve the client numbers from the order number 019001. Okay. Then the main query select the client name, client city and the pin code from the client tables for the client whose client number matches the one returned by the subqueries. It means you have to go nested. So, how you write in MySQL? Select the name from the c.city, c.pin code from the client master table name C. Join sales order SO on the client number from the client master must be equal to client number from sales order, where order number from sales order must be equal to 019001. When you will return, it will display like that. The name, we have selected only 3 attributes: name, city and pin code. It will be Avon Bros, Bombay and then 4009. Next example I have taken to simplify the subquery. List the client name that have placed order before the month of May 2022. You can use a subquery to filter the clients based on their order history. So the SQL query using the subquery, what you write? First of all, you have to write subquery. So select client number from sales order, where here is equal to order date must be less than 202, or year order date must be equal to 2 and the month date order date must be less than 5. Because we are asking the before the month of May, so we have to write less than 5. To retrieve the client's number for the order placed for the May 2002. The main query select the client's name. So you have to write select name from client master, where the client number, and then nested you have to write in, within parentheses you have to write select client number from sales order, where year order date must be less than 2002 or year order date must be equal to 202 and month order must be less than 5, because I am asking the May, before the month of May 2022. When you enter, it will display the empty, no records are available. The last example I am taking, SQL query using subquery to list the client number and name to whom product Lycra top was sold. In that you have to write select client number, name from client master, where client number Okay, then you have to find the nested. It means first of all you have to solve the subquery. The subquery retrieves all the client number from the sales order table where the product lacquer top has been ordered. For that you have to write select SO dot client number from sales order detail from sales order, join sales order SO on order number from sales order table, and the order number SO must be equal to order number from SOD. Then you have to join the product number, product master PM on product number from SOD must be equal to product number from PM. The condition you have to here, we have to write description from the PM must be equal to lacquer top. Within quote you have to write, when you will press it will display like that empty set, no records are available for such type of. It means the main query, first of all you have to write subquery which will replace the client numbers from the sales order where the product the top has been ordered. The main query select the client number and the name from the clients table for the clients whose client number must match one returned by the subqueries. So here after match no query, no result is there. So empty set will be displayed on your screen. Today I am giving you some straightforward questions for your assignment of you for this lecture. So the first question is find the product and their quantities for the order placed by Evan Bros and Mamta Majumdar. The next question is find the product and their quantities for the order placed by client number C001 and C002. The last question is list the name of the clients who have placed order worth of 10,000 and more. List all orders along with the client city and the product details. List all the clients who have placed order for product with a price greater than the average price of all the products. As in our exploration, I have navigated the intricate world of complex SQL languages. I hope you enjoyed this exploration. Thank you once again for your active participation.